Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I never film on holidays, but today is actually Easter. You will see this video tomorrow. This will be actually the last Monday upload, and then I'm going to switch to Sundays and Thursdays, which is what you guys voted on Instagram and also what YouTube is telling me you guys watch the most. Um, so yeah, I'm actually going to get Easter stuff ready right now. So I really wanted to do a outside Easter egg hunt. I had my best friend come for a little bit before she goes to her family's house, but unfortunately, her husband has a cough, and they had a get together for my nephew's birthday party yesterday, and unfortunately, one of the kids was also sick. Um, so we didn't go because they were sick, coughing, because we didn't want, obviously it trickles on and keeps passing. So unfortunately, that won't happen again. I wanted to do it last year too, and something happened as well. And then we usually go to my sister-in-law's house for dinner. They make an Ecuadorian like finesca drink soup. And we are not going because she had the flu last week and now her husband has it. So you guys, if you guys know, Christmas we were sick. We were sick. We had COVID, and now Easter, everybody else is sick. And I'm over this cold weather, for one, and two, I am over everybody getting sick, including us. Like, I'm just over it. I just want to enjoy holidays and things again. Like, I feel like ever since COVID happened, it's like so annoying. Anyways, I'm gonna get the stuff ready. We're gonna do it inside because it is only 50 degrees outside. I was gonna put a dress on my daughter. She does have a oh my gosh, my arms are hurt. She does have an Easter kind of PJs, which I think that's all I'm gonna put on her because again, we are home. I don't know if my in-laws are coming, but they don't celebrate Easter. They celebrate it religiously, but they don't celebrate Easter as like the bunny and like Easter eggs and all that stuff. They don't do that. So we're gonna probably do an Easter egg hunt with my daughter. Not probably, we are gonna do. So the plan is when my husband gets home, he's gonna take her downstairs. My mom's here right now, and I'm going to take out her Easter baskets and my husband's that I made him. I'll show you guys that in a second. And I'm going to actually put everything in her room, and I'm going to put Easter eggs coming up the stairs from the basement, and I'm also going to put them a little bit in my kitchen, some in my beauty room, a lot in the sala, living room. And then it's going to lead into her playroom, and that's where her baskets and everything is going to be. So that is the plan for right now. Again, I'm so sad that we couldn't do it outside. My husband wanted to do it outside. My sister-in-law actually got her a really cute outside plaything for Easter, and unfortunately it's been so ugly outside and cold and rainy, and it's going to snow in like 2 days, so we just not happening. So yeah, let's go ahead and just kind of get this Easter stuff ready. Before we get started, don't forget to grab your coffee or your water. And leave a like down below. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. Let's get into today's video. Alright, so my daughter's actually playing with some of these right now. I do have this covered. This is my husband's Easter basket. So I've always done Easter baskets with for him. So I believe I mentioned, but my husband actually was born in Ecuador, so he didn't have Easter baskets growing up. He honestly didn't even have like Easter bunny-ish kind of stuff until he met me. And then we got married, and then ever since then, I honestly used to do an Easter egg for him every year, just because Easter, my mom always used to do stuff like that for me, so I just did it with him. So every year I kind of give him a little basket or an egg or something. So this is his this year. Again, I know this is not everybody's cup of tea. This is just personally what I like doing. So anyways, little Star Wars figure. He got an X-Men figure. This big guy back there, that was kind of pricey, but it is what it is. I found this really cute car transformer. I think him and my daughter will love playing with that together, and it was really cheap, so I got that for him. I saw this, I believe, on Temu, and I thought it was really cute. So our basement bathroom is basically a cute, like it's SpongeBob themed. So I'll show you guys what that looks like on the screen, but that is really cute. Got him some Slim Jims to put in the car so he can have the Slim Jims. Yes, he needed some new AirPods. He uses them every day for work, so I got him some AirPods. There's a case down there for the AirPods. And then we needed another camera for our garage. Well, actually, we already have two. Well, we have two in the garage. We have a lot of cameras, but another camera for the garage. So that is my husband's, and I put Papi down there because, I mean, I call him that, and then my daughter obviously calls him that. All right, so the Easter basket that I'm going to have her run around the house with is this one. I got this last year, and I think it's the cutest thing ever. So we're going to use that. And then I picked this up on Amazon. I believe I showed you guys before. And it says Happy Easter. So yeah, it basically has the little cars inside of it. She loves cars, so that is what I picked up. And this was like $10, so I was like sold. I didn't want to spend way too much money. And then I did buy a set of these. And some of them, like some of these, I have just regular eggs by themselves, and they fit in there perfectly. So something else for her to open other than just the cars will be in there as well. Let me just kind of show you what the card looks like. It's these, and you kind of push it back. Again, I did get cards also because my best friend's kids were coming, but you guys know, I thought it would have been cute, but my daughter will be happy with all the cards anyways. I just gotta make sure all of these are closed. I gotta make sure I take out all the empty ones, because, you know, obviously I don't want her to be like, that's empty. She would be no hay nada. I don't know where the cap to this one is. I might just switch it out for another one. It's empty. Okay, so let's switch this one out for another one. All right, so this case actually comes with, I think it was 40 if I'm correct. Yeah, 40. Oops. Yeah, 40, and I added like an additional 10 with the other little set that I had. All right, so that's what she's gonna use for that. I gotta put away these eggs that have nothing in it and fix them nicely. And take out all her other stuff. Let me do that right now. All right, so in my mom's Easter basket that she got stuff for her, she got these little dolls, right? I don't know why this bothers my soul. It comes like this. So she's going to see a whole bunch of Easter eggs with dolls with like no heads. But then you got to put it together. I mean, it's really cute, but I think that's so creepy. So I think I'm going to leave it. I think I am just going to leave it in there and just kind of toss it. Because her Easter basket for my mom is a little bit of a hot mess, but I'm trying to hurry up before she comes because I have my door open. This is her bigger one from Mommy and Daddy. I'm gonna leave it like that. I need to cover it though before she comes. All right, and this is her little one that I think I'm gonna put like somewhere hiding as well with the other Easter eggs. So I thought that'd be cute. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and quickly show you guys, even though I've done videos on those two, not my husband's, but on those two, and you guys can check those out down below. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you and then cover them. This is my daughter's full video on the channel. This is, I don't know why this one's like so messed up. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna place it instead of keeping it in the basket. I think that's what I'm gonna do, but we'll see. I'm gonna put kind of like throw these on the bottom of it. You'll see. And then these are the ones that she has to find. And then this is my husband's. I have an extra basket, but I don't really need it. But yeah, that is the plan. So let me cover this all up. It looks a little creepy. But yeah, now I just gotta wait for my husband to get home from work so that we can set this all up. I am making steak, mashed potatoes, and veggies for dinner, which I need to start setting up as well. He was trying to get out at 1 today, but unfortunately they still left one thing in this load of things he needs to do. So he has to go do one more. And then he's like, I'll be home by 2. And he's like, fingers crossed. I feel so bad because I feel like he wishes he could be home. Usually the schedule that he's off switches around this time, but they push it back a month. So totally sucks. But it's okay. we're gonna make the best out of today for my beautiful Bobby. All right, so here I am taking everything out of the fridge to make a dinner, getting the rosemary, the crema, the steak, the potatoes, the garlic, the carrots. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the mashed potatoes. My daughter actually didn't even eat any, but I do take out the cáscara and also from the carrots. Here I am cutting them up. And the potatoes are obviously going to be mashed potatoes, and I am going to steam some carrots and broccoli, which was the first thing my daughter actually devoured. She loves broccoli and she loves carrots, and she also actually really loved the steak today, which was good because she needs the iron. So she inhaled that. She didn't even touch the mashed potatoes though. My husband actually loved them though, because he normally isn't a fan, and he ate them this time. So that was good. That was great. Love that for me.
Put them in there. Put them in there.
And it was toilet, mommy.
So my memory was full, so I couldn't really film making the mashed potatoes, but it was just sour cream, butter, and garlic. And then in a pan, I put some butter, rosemary, and garlic. All right, and today I actually played with my daughter for a while with her stuff that she got from Easter, and then I went ahead and started cleaning up the kitchen and washing dishes and getting everything nice and clean and ready for the next day. Today I did have to clean up the stove because I created a really nice hot mess making the steak, so I am just cleaning my stovetop. Guys, I know this video was a little bit on the shorter side, but I really hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to leave this emoji down below. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.